Hello everyone, today we're going to solve set 6 problems 23 and 24. Problem 23. Alex wants to fill the empty squares so that the number in each square after the fourth from the left is the sum of the numbers in the four squares to his left. What number should Alex write in the final square? Now the question itself looks a bit complicated, but if I explain in other words, it means that every box from position 5 onwards equals the sum of the four boxes immediately to its left. So for example, 1, the fifth box, is the sum of these four boxes to its left. This empty square is the sum of these four boxes to its left, and so on. So looking at the fifth box, the sum is equal to 1. So these two boxes should be -1. We're not sure the exact number, but then the sum of those two boxes are -1. Now looking at the sixth box, we're looking at these four boxes. And because -1 plus 1 is equal to 0, this box is also 0. Now looking at the seventh box, it is 8, and these four boxes are 8. Now we can tell that this box is 8, and the second box is no longer important, but then this box is 8. Now looking at the last box, we have, this is the box we want to find, and then it's the sum of these four numbers, which is 16, so E is the correct answer. Problem 24. The shapes P and Q are formed, I read the, never mind. Problem 24. The shapes P and Q are formed from 2 and 3 identical rectangles, respectively. Their perimeters are 42 centimeters and 53 centimeters, respectively. What is the perimeter of one of the rectangles? Now I'm going to put the short side of the rectangle as x and the longer side as y. Now, this is y, this is also y, this is x, and these two sides are same as y. So for shape P, we can write that as 2x plus 4y is equal to 42 centimeters. Looking at Q, we have y, 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 x, 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 and these two sides can be is equal to y, and then this one is equal to y minus x. Now looking at Q, we have 1, 2, 3, however there's minus x, so there's 2x. So for shape Q, there's 2x plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6y is equal to 53. Now then we have 2y is equal to 11, and which means that 2x plus 22 is 42, so 2x is equal to 20. For the perimeter of one rectangle, it is equal to 2x plus 2y. So if we simply add these two numbers, we get 31. So B is the correct answer. Thank you everyone, and I'll see you again. Bye.